আজ আমি কিন্তু genuinely nervous. Currently we are doing it via different portal, different platform, everything is new. So it's not like the same feeling that I get every day when I'm doing it from the same place and I'm on Happy Skin and I know everyone and everyone knows me. We are now doing it from the Auli lifestyle page where there are hundreds and hundreds of us, like thousands. I think there are 50,000 plus people on the Auli lifestyle page, and I guess everybody will be watching. So I'm a little nervous. Hi Shirsha, hi Chandrima. I guess যারা যারা হ্যাপি স্কিনে আছো তারা কিন্তু জয়েন করে যাও। টুডে আনফর্চুনেটলি আমরা পুরোটাই we'll try and do in English, so that because there are lots of us who will be watching who are outside of the community. So we will speak in English today. If there are questions, if you want me to translate something or a part of it which you think that you want me to speak in both languages, can be done, no problem at all. Hi Urmi, hi Chandrima. I'm going to wait for some people to come live. So ajke bulti, today we are going to talk about actives. Okay, skincare actives. আমি আজ প্রচুর পড়াশোনা মানে কদিন ধরেই করছি, প্লাস আজকে we are bringing back the new power of C, right? A lot of us were waiting for the new power of C. All of us, in fact, we were waiting for the new power of C, and it is here finally. Leah, could you tell the girls that we are live, because I don't know whether they know where we are coming live from, the Tanya and Shrija. Please do share the live with them, the live link. We are on from the event page. So and you can share it on our platforms, our regular platforms, so that they also get to know that we are live. Okay, ajke we are going to do simple skincare actives discussion. There are lots of actives that are present in the skincare system, but the most important actives, so to speak, are retinol, AHA, BHA, vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, and benzoyl peroxide. Okay, these are all actives. There are plenty more, but nowadays in the skincare system you are hearing mostly these names. Lactic acid, lipstick shade is called Honeymoon by Huda Beauty, and the liner is MAC, it's Soar by MAC, and the lipstick is Huda Beauty Honeymoon. It's one of my favorites, Huda bullets. I had got it from Calcutta. Atri was there when I had asked her to keep one of each for me. We had a long working day today. Ajke shara din it was like really long. So but I got to revise my notes, like I showed you guys yesterday what my notes look like. This is my today's details which I'm going to share with you, plus I will show you the power of C. So without further ado, I'm going to start with our skincare actives. Okay, so first we'll talk about the actives which are not there in the power of C, which is vitamin C. So I'll come to vitamin C last. Okay, before that I will want to bring some key points of actives. The percentage of actives in any skincare product is something that we all should know what percentage we are using. We should either consult our consultants, or we should consult our dermats, or our cosmetologists if we have one. So ideally, not everyone needs all actives, but simpler actives like lactic acid, AHA, which is glycolic acid, lactic acid, vitamin C, eglo, I think it's more neutral. Everybody can use it as much as they want. But the important thing is that there are some which, like salicylic acid, they are a little bit more heavy. Retinol is much more heavier. So retinol, salicylic, these are acids which you should always know whether you at all need them, and then only you should go and use them. ঠিক আছে? we should do one active in one day, because I personally get, I don't have sensitive skin. Like you guys can see, my skin is pretty much normal, okay? And to the drier side, but because that's only because with age what happens now, your natural hyaluronic acid, which is there in your skin, collagen, elastin, all that, that tends to disintegrate. Your kind of lifestyle that you're leading, your stress, all those things also add up to the disintegration of collagen and HA in your and that adds to your general plumpness of your face and how your skin looks on a particular day, right? It also depends on your age, it depends on your lifestyle, it depends on your food habits, in your weather conditions, all that things, hormonal disbalances, everything like that. Now what happens is that one active in a day, I think is a very easy thing to do, whereas there are some actives which can go well together, also like vitamin C and AHA, they can be used on the same day, morning, evening. Then you can have vitamin C and retinol, also can be used morning, evening, depending on the percentage of the product and depending how your skin is reacting to those particular ingredients. Then you have benzoyl peroxide plus retinols. These also can be used morning, evening. I will come to what goes with what after some time, after giving you a small brief of each of them. Okay. So what does retinol do? Retinol helps to fight fine lines and wrinkles. Most importantly, retinol helps in acne and hyperpigmentation. I think everybody who has used retinol or plans to use retinol knows that this is a very, very trending ingredient. Everyone wants to use retina A, everyone wants to use some kind of retinol, pigmentation na thaklo, people want to use it and things like that. But the thing is that retinol causes the skin to dry. Okay, that's a fact. It definitely, so while it does take care of anti-wrinkles, fine lines, it does take care of acne, hyperpigmentation if used well. It also causes irritation and dry skin. Okay, for sure it will dry your skin out. It will definitely dry your, it'll definitely irritate or dry your skin out. So when we use a retinol, make sure that you use a retinol which has HA mixed in it, or mix it with any kind of ceramides or একটুখানি heavy কোনো cream. Like I was telling the last time, when I make a retinol, I'm going to make a booster, which means you can put it in your any other skincare, like your HA serum, or with your creams that you use every night, like Are As Good As New or Bell or any of that. You can use the retinol and then apply on your skin, so it will not irritate your skin as much, right? Retinol is a very, very, very sensitive active ingredient. Be very careful when you're using it. Don't have great expectations that retinol lagalam overnight chop theek hoye gelo. It will not happen. Retinol takes at least 24 weeks. Anything between 12 to 24 weeks. So anytime you go on a retinol routine, you give your skin at least 12 weeks, which means how many months? 3 months? 3 months, right? So you have to give your skin 3 months to 6 months for retinol to actually start showing some result on your skin, right? Okay, now it definitely makes your skin sensitive. I hope you guys are taking notes, because this one is a big life which I've been wanting to do for a very long time, and I think today I said, okay, let's go ahead and finish this off. And I have not addressed all actives in one live, so this one is going to be it, and I'm doing it in English so that everyone is here, because a lot of people who are from outside as well who are watching. However, if you guys have any questions, which I will address in whichever language you ask me, okay? Now, going back to retinol, it makes our skin sensitive. Oh yes, it does make our skin super sensitive, because retinol is not everybody's cup of tea. Retinol is not for people who have sensitive skin anyway. I don't feel it is. Unless you have a dermat who's at your beck and call and all the time you are going there for your treatments or whatever be the case. If that's the case, great. If not, if you badite trial and error korbo retinol diye, I think it's a really pathetic idea. Unless it's a very mild, like 1.5 by 2%, khub beshi hole 2% on the top. Okay, now it makes your skin sensitive, which means, and dry, jeta aage bolam, which means you have to use a good formulated sunscreen. Our Damson is always available for you to use. Okay, this is our Auli Lifestyle sunscreen. It has titanium dioxide, something like this, which is a cream formulation. Don't go for gel sunscreens because it really doesn't, bogus it is, it doesn't work. Something which is like a gel cream kind of a texture is something that you have to use every day, okay, when you are using retinol. Okay, this is a sunscreen that we have. It doesn't have a white film as such that comes on top, and you have to nicely blend it in and then use it. Okay, this is Damson. So coming back to retinol, when it makes your skin sensitive, you have to at least wear sunscreen 2 to 3 times in a day. Only it's pretty much the same as peels. Okay, retinol does to your skin what peeling does. So it's equally as sensitive. So you have to, and if you don't use sunscreen, you may cause burns. Okay, may cause burns on your skin if you happen to just loiter around in the sun. Ki I want to go out and I want to be in the sun and soak in the sun without any sunscreen. After using retinol, you might end up getting burns as well, right? So we have to give the retinol its required hydration and its required sun protection for it to repair and rebuild your skin. Great. Now you can use it on alternate days with vitamin C, with AHA, BHA, shokal bikil kore you can apply it, depending again on the percentages of these products, and which is something that if you guys are using retinol, you get in touch with us and we will somehow allow you to, we will work out your schedule for you so that you know how how good bad your how well your actives are sort of playing with each other and showing results. Nobody will show you quick results, so do not ask for it. Just wait for your skin to really start showing you the results that you're expecting it to show. Okay, now when we use retinol, what time is a good time to use retinol? Evenings are the best time to use retinols because there is absolutely no sun, there's no damage that can accidentally be caused by the sun. Use retinol serums only at night. Okay, can it be used with benzoyl peroxide? Yes, it can be used with benzoyl peroxide, but obviously it could be like it has to be like a day apart. Okay, so one day you can use benzol, one day you can use retinol. What you can also do is you maybe use a benzol face wash, right, which doesn't stay on your skin, and then you can use a retinol serum, something like that also is okay. If you use it at night, you leave it in and you leave it for a while. At night it also helps to build collagen. See, collagen is not something which can be easily rebuilt, but it does help to protect collagen, which is naturally present in your skin, right? So for that you can use you use retinol at night, which is why we say ki retinol serum raatir bela lagana uchit. Okay, AHA, BHA and retinol can easily be used, and it can be used on alternate days only. BHA especially, AHA, mild AHA, যেরকম আমাদের Rosetta is a mild AHA. This can be used with retinol in the evening if you are using rosé during the day, or if you are using rosé in one night, the next night you use retinol. Okay, because this is mild AHA, this can be used. However, with BHA, it's better to use on different days. Okay, now I am going to talk about salicylic acid, BHA. Okay, let's do AHA and BHA both. Basically, AHA, BHA kaj ki holo, again I'm saying it cleans out the pores, it unclogs the pores, it sort of Shantani, yes, that's what I was talking about. Retinol will definitely dry out your skin and will definitely make it very, very susceptible to any kind of damage from the sun or external influence. So be very careful while using retinol. Okay, I'll come to everyone's questions. There'll be lots. I know that if I cannot answer while I'm live because I have a time limit today, I have to stop in at sharp at 9:30 because I have to go somewhere else. This was just suddenly decided, so I said okay, let's do it, but I have to be off at 9:30. In case if I miss any questions, I can guarantee you that once this is over, I will reply to each and every one of you personally, so there is nothing to worry. what I wanted to say, because আজ অনেক কিছু বলার আছে, so let me just speak it out so that this stays with us. তারপরে এটা থেকে আমরা নোটস বার করে করে সবাইকে শেয়ারও করবো, আমরা এখান থেকে কোয়েশ্চেনের আনসার্সও করবো, আমি সব কিছু করে দেবো, ঠিক আছে? সো দেন ইউ ডোন্ট হ্যাভ টু ওয়ারি অ্যাবাউট দ্যাট, প্লাস দে হ্যাভ টু লঞ্চ অলসো। সো আমাকে একটু তোমরা টাইম রিমাইন্ড করবে, when it is 9:15, please tell me that it's 9:15, so that I can show you the new power of C and talk about it for 15 minutes. ঠিক আছে? Okay, salicylic acid and glycolic acid, lactic acid, these are different forms of AHAs, BHAs. Lactic is not a AHA, but lactic is also similar. These are all products, all three of them dehydrates the skin, right? So when they dehydrate the skin, we have to follow it up with some antioxidant serum, which is why again antioxidant serums are important, because they tend to hold the water. HA serums কেন important হয়? HA serumটা জলটাকে it binds the water on top of your skin, which means whatever other ingredients that you've given your skin, it stays in its place and it actually does its work. So any type of AHA, BHA, glycolic, salicylic, lactic, these things should always be followed up with HA serum, ceramide based creams, any kind of hydrating creams. Amader you can use where is so dekhano jabe na. There are things which I can't show you guys, so just pardon me. Okay, so you can always use something like Hello Hydration. It's high on ceramides. It's got licorice, it has mangista, it has all your skin hydrating ingredients, which are absolutely essential when you are using something with actives. This doesn't have any actives, but I like it keep like that because it really can be used for multiple things. Okay, this is what hydration looks like. Mild hydration, not like pore clogging hydration is something else. This is great for when you have used an active and you want to hydrate it instantly. ঠিক আছে? Give a gap of about 10 minutes and then go ahead and hydrate it with something like Hello Hydration. Okay, ঠিক আছে? আমরা AHA BHA নিয়ে কথা বললাম. Everyone knows what BHA does because I've spoken to all of you guys at length about what BHA does. AHA does what BHA does. There is another live which maybe Tanya and Shija can share with you guys after this live is over. Salicylic acid niye arektu bole di. Salicylic acid is a BHA form. It's one of those intense actives again like retinol. So we have to be very careful when you are using salicylic. It works very well on acne. It is very safe to use on sensitive skin also, only if the percentage is right. So please keep the right percentage in mind and then go ahead and use salicylic acid. Something in between, say 5% salicylic for people with acne only. People who have normal to combination skin do not need salicylic acid. Don't bother. If you at all want to avoid or prevent, or if you have a lot of you think that you might break out anytime, then you can use it in maybe in a form of a say face wash. Okay, something that doesn't stay, or it's just like you use it and then you use it for some time and then you take it off. Safe to use on sensitive skin, yes. It should be always prescribed in a small amount and then slowly you can rise with time. For people who have comedonal acne, it's a comedolytic agent. Salicylic is a comedolytic agent. Basically it means that it is melting the blackheads from inside out and unclogging your pores. Okay, now we will come to benzoyl peroxide. That is also a form of an AHA takes about 6 to 42 weeks, okay, to show results on fine lines and wrinkles. It shows about 7 weeks to show any kind of result for acne, and it takes around close to 20 to 22 weeks to show results on hyperpigmentation. This is AHA, which means rosé. Okay, when you take a rosé, you have to give it at least this amount of time to show results. When you're using BHA for acne, you have to give it at least 2 to 12 weeks to start showing the best kind of results. Show the best kind of results when you are using something with salicylic. Okay, now I will talk about benzoyl peroxide. It's actually a game changer in terms of acne. I remember I had once told you guys that there's a name of a benzoyl peroxide cream which I had not which the name of which I had I remember I was talking to you guys about acne, and I said ki somebody had given me a cream which I had used and it was great for acne, and that now I remember it was something called benzoyl peroxide. When you go to where do you go? Medicine shop. Yeah. So when you go to medicine shop and you ask for benzoyl peroxide, they will give it to you in a tube. It's called benzene or something. Not benzene. Benzene to onno jinish. Kichu ekta naam ache. When you tell them, they give you a tube, which is very good ota spot treatment er jonno for acne. It's damn good. But then again, it's an active, so you have to mix it with hydrating ingredients again, like hyaluronic acid, SPF. These things are must when you're using benzoyl peroxide for your skin. Okay, you can use it during the day and don't leave it on. Benzoyl peroxide, unless you have very hardcore acne, tumi rate lagiye shoye porle sokal bela you'll see results by the morning. But it's always more effective if you don't leave it on your skin. Use it something like a daily te tumi use korte paro. Ami ekটু আগেই যেটা বলছিলাম, use things like a toner with benzol or a face wash with benzol, because those things are, it doesn't stay on your skin. ওটা মানে একটু strong agent তো এই জন্য ওটা লাগিয়ে ধুয়ে ফেলা better. আর যখনই তোমরা এরকম when you're using such actives, please make sure that you're using it with SPF, with hydrating agents, antioxidant serums, etc. should always be used to top it up. Okay, that's one. So that goes for benzoyl peroxide. Now we will come to niacinamide. Niacinamide is again niacinamide is one of my recent favorite ingredients. I can't tell you why, but I think a lot of you guys know that we are working on something with niacinamide, and it is going to come out very soon. I think within the next month or so, you'll see our niacinamide cream that is going to come. Niacinamide again is one of those actives which don't have any problem coming in contact with the air. It lasts just fine. Some don't work well with the others. I'll maybe tell you a few which don't work well with the others, but niacinamide generally is the most insensitive of the actives, so it's very easy to use, but at the same time it also has the most number of benefits as well of all the actives. So niacinamide ki kore fine lines and wrinkles ke it reduces fine lines and wrinkles. It helps in skin hydration, it helps in hyperpigmentation, it helps with acne, redness, oiliness. Okay, it helps with all of these 7 things. What all it does: fine lines and wrinkles, it helps with hyperpigmentation, it helps with skin hydration, it helps with acne, redness, oiliness. So niacinamide is something which I think a lot of people can use. Ideally, it would say take something like 4 to 8 weeks, for 4 to say 8 to 10 weeks to start showing results, right? So niacinamide is an ingredient which I think everyone should have in their skincare, because it actually, what it does is it reduces excess oil production that is there, which are in your skin. মানে যাদের খুব oily হয় তাদের excess oil production কে reduce করে, and it improves the oil quality, makes it less pore clogging for you, and repairs the skin barrier. What is most important in our life is to protect our skin barrier, so that what is happening can stay inside and not pop out like acne or destroy what is there in our skin, which is naturally present, right? So skin barrier ke protect korar jonno niacinamide is a very good ingredient. When coupled with SPF, it is even better. Okay, এটা হয়ে গেল. And comedonal acne জন্য niacinamide is really good. কতদিন টাইম লাগবে এটা কাজ করতে সেটাও আমি বলে দিলাম. It also can be mixed with every ingredient. ঠিক আছে, it can work with other serums very fine. That's not a problem. Only thing that niacinamide doesn't work well with, and that is vitamin C. Okay, because both are very nice ingredients. So খুব ভালো দুটো ভালো মানুষ, they can never be together for very long. Okay, so it's like very good plus very good together, it's like very good. It doesn't work. So you have to keep vitamin C and niacinamide separate. Use one and then you give a 10-minute break and then you use the other. Okay, and it's not like you don't have to, you can't use it in the same time or same time of the day, orokom kichu nei, because both are very but much less sensitive ingredients in general, So you can always use niacinamides and vitamin C's together, but give a 10-minute gap when you're using it, just so that the potency remains as so that the potency doesn't get damaged. If you use them back to back or together mixed with each other, the potency reduces substantially. Okay, so that's one thing about niacinamide that needed to be told. Also, it's a great anti-inflammatory. Niacinamide capsules, niacin bole capsules to পাওয়া যায়, সেগুলো anti-inflammatory capsules. ওগুলো ইনটেকও করা যায়, তুমি টপিক্যালিও খেতে পারো, you can use it on your body, you can also consume niacinamide. A lot of people do. It's a great anti-inflammatory also. Anyway, our product with niacinamide is coming soon, so please watch out for that. I can show you a sneak peek, provided you guys don't read the label. If you don't read the label, I can show you a sneak peek of that. So this is our niacinamide gel. I can't show you anything more than this right now, but you can see how there are gold flakes also in it, and it's going to come very soon. I don't know why my girls are not talking much today. I don't know what they are doing, but if they saw me doing this live, they would have just, I think, they would have just come in through this screen and grabbed me by my neck saying, then why are you launching things? Why are you showing? There's no element of surprise and all that. Okay, so who's ready for power of C and why power of C is important? I guess it's important because hyaluronic acid is pretty much present naturally in our skin. Okay, it's a natural what? Does anyone know what hyaluronic acid is? Tell, Google and tell. I want to see what you know. Tell now. Okay, so I'll tell you which one to not use with what. Ami shudhu dekh Tanya. Okay, while you guys Google what is the importance of hyaluronic acid, I'm going to tell you what goes with what and what doesn't. Retinoids, which is retinols and AHA, BHA, don't go well together. Okay, they can cause inflammation, redness, peeling or dryness in a very, very high amount. So please do not use retinols and AHA, BHAs, especially BHAs together. Okay, use them on alternate nights. Teacher? Yeah, vitamin C and AHA, BHA. তোমাদের কত কিছু পড়িয়ে দিচ্ছি সত্যি বাবা. Do you guys like your teacher or you don't like? You have to give me keep giving me thumbs up so that I can keep doing it because I'm talking non-stop. Today I don't even have my water bottle with me because আমি তাড়াতাড়ি এসে বসলাম, তো আমি জলও খেতে পাচ্ছি না while speaking to you guys. But আমি একটাই স্পিডে বলে যাবো. ওকে, সো ভিটামিন সি অ্যান্ড AHA, BHA, they are both pH dependent. pH dependent মানে তোমার স্কিনের pH এর ওপর the effectiveness of those products are dependent. Okay, because our skin has an acidic pH, it should not become too alkaline, which makes it very dry. So for example, lots of soap usage etc makes the skin dry. So we have to pH dependent থাকে vitamin C or AHA, BHA, which means you can use that সকাল বিকেল. For max benefits, always keep 10 minutes gap between each active. Okay, খুব ভালো রেজাল্ট পাবে if you keep 10 minutes gap between each active. Morning evening লাগাবে vitamin C and AHA, BHA. Great. BHA with benzol peroxide, it can definitely cause irritation, redness, inflammation, peeling, all that, dryness, just like how retinol and AHA, BHA did. Similarly, AHA, BHA with benzol also does the same thing, because like I said from the beginning, benzol and retinol are really, really, really strong actives not to be messed around with. So it's a great duo to fight acne. It's a great duo, benzol and BHA, but use it on alternate nights. Okay, retinols and vitamin C, it also causes irritation, redness, retinol and vitamin C, so we can use it, but morning evening. Okay, and benzol with retinols, thank you Rajeshwari. Okay, benzol with retinoids is also, it's a huge cause of concern. It can cause dryness and mild to severe irritation or a lot of irritation also. Please use benzol and retinol সকাল বিকেল, in the morning and in the evening. Okay, that's great Debjani. I think you've googled it right. hyaluronic acid is a natural carbohydrate which is present in our skin. So all this plumpness that is there on your skin is because of hyaluronic acid. Okay, it's a naturally present skin plumper, and it also helps to keep the skin hydrated from the inside, which is naturally present. It's there. It's a carbohydrate. It's a form of carbohydrate. Our body te proteins ache. Keratin is a protein. Carbohydrate. Hyaluronic acid is a carbohydrate. So our bodies are made of all these different kind of things, right? Now we have naturally present thake with age. Like for me, I'm an old person now, so for me it starts slowly. It starts depleting because of your hormonal imbalance, your way of life, generally wear and tear, body wear and tear, stress, hypertension, your pollution, your weather conditions, এইসবের জন্য তোমার ন্যাচারালি ওয়্যার এন্ড টেয়ারের জন্য তোমার যেরকম আমাদের ইলাস্টেন্স আর ইলাস্টেন কোলাজেন এগুলো সব বডিতে কিন্তু আস্তে আস্তে কম হতে থাকে. প্লিজ গাইজ টেল মি when it's 9:15 it will be time to launch. Okay, also it loses so when you apply hyaluronic acid topically, that time it helps to retain moisture on your skin whenever you apply it, you will always see a good HA serum. Even if it is plain HA, around 5 to 7, 5% minimum থাকলে ভালো হয়. Anything above 2%, you will start seeing visible results. Anything in a serum which is above 2%, you will see visible results. We are giving 7% HA and 7% vitamin C is going to come in the new Power of C. You guys will absolutely go crazy about the new texture because it is so good. It binds water to retain moisture. It's great for all skin types. Hyaluronic acid, it's great for all skin types. It doesn't clog pores at all. It doesn't unnecessarily become heavy on your skin. It feels like velvet on your skin. We all know that, right? ঠিক আছে. So hyaluronic acid, then when it comes, it is going to be protect your skin. The other ingredient in Power of C is obviously vitamin C. What does vitamin C do? It helps in skin discoloration. I think the main effectiveness of vitamin C is to naturally correct the discoloration of skin. Okay, it boosts collagen, it reduces spots on skin, and it also hydrates and it softens fine lines. I will come to a whole list of things that Power of C does, but I'll tell you a whole list of things that Power of C does. But generally it's very good for protecting your skin, right? Vitamin C. And you should use it during the day. It's a big myth ki vitamin C dine use kora jabe na, erokom kono কিছুই নেই. In fact, it's one of those lighter actives. You can easily use it during the day. Amader Power of C is called AM to PM serum. It's because of that only. In fact, এটা সারা রাত থাকে. If you put Power of C at night, then till the next morning it stays exactly how it's supposed to on the skin. Okay, it's also the most important and critical part about vitamin C that we should know is that it oxidizes when it comes in contact with the air, when it obviously with oxygen, and it also turns yellow when it not yellow like muddy brown when it comes in contact with sunlight, and that is only for concentrate. It goes for concentrate, but even when you have a say mild concentrate of 7% of vitamin C, I would always suggest whatever vitamin C serums you use, you have to make sure that it's away from the sun, it's away from heat, and it's away from air. Okay, these are the things that you have to definitely keep it away from. Also water, because Power of C also has L-ascorbic acid, which is the vitamin C formula for the vitamin C that we use. It's water free, totally water free. There is no water content thake na, and it has to be saved at a nice dry cool place. Okay, so now that I've come till this much, amar motamoti prottekta I have spoken about most of the actives that I know of. এর বাইরে থাকলে আমাকে হয়তো আবার পড়াশোনা করে আসতে হবে, বাট আমি এটুকুনি জানি, আমি পুরোটাই তোমাদের বলে দিলাম. what I'm going to do is for the next 10 minutes, I'm going to take questions and then I will show you the power of C. Or do you want me to show you the power of C and then take questions? What do you want me to do? Akbar bolo, then I can do it like that. I think whatever you guys say, that I will do that. Hi Ma. Let me know what is it that you want me to do. Okay. Okay, I also wanted to show you guys anything else. Do we have anything else with actives? No, we don't have anything else with actives right now. But I think all the new products will slowly start having different kind of actives. We should be, sort of, আমরা salicylic নিয়ে কাজ করছি, retinol নিয়ে কাজ করছি, niacinamide আসছে. These are the things that are going to come. Okay. Okay, I think nobody wants to wait for POC. Moshumi, I'm sorry. And I think nobody is in a mood to wait, so I will show you the new POC. So here it is. Okay, so this is a new POC. The container is the same because we have to give it in sorry Moshumi, দেখিয়ে দিলাম actually আমিও আর পাচ্ছিলাম না because I wanted to show you guys the texture. একটু ওই প্রোডাক্টটা নিয়েও বলে নি, and then I think then that way I'll be free to answer সবার question answers পুরোপুরি আমি দেখাতে পারবো. I wish there was some drum rolls that I could do right now. তো তোমরা প্লিজ একটু you guys share your thumbs up, আমাকে অনেকগুলো likes পাঠাও for Power of C, the people who've been using it for the last year and a half. Guys, Power of C কিন্তু one of those oldest vitamin C serums in the market. যখন কেউ করেনি তখন আমরা vitamin C and hyaluronic বানিয়েছিলাম. Unfortunately due to lockdown আমাদের যারা existing vendor ছিল তাদের কাছ থেকে আমরা raw materials use করতে পারছিলাম না. But you won't believe when we started researching and we got the new people and the new ingredients, তারপরে যে জিনিসটা ready হয়েছে, I think it's the most kick-ass vitamin C serum that I have ever seen. Okay, it has 7% vitamin C L-ascorbic. It has 7% HA, super concentrated. It has a very, very, very mild, base, which is great. It also has glycerin in it so that it hydrates extra along with the hyaluronic acid. So guys, please show some love for this one. I'm going to now show you the texture. Okay. Wow. Okay, that's the texture. I think we have done a fabulous job to the existing Power of C. We've done a fabulous. See, already Power of C was a great product. It didn't need any change, but because as luck would have it, we had to. It just because of sheer luck that we had to work on this ingredients, and wow, can you see how nice and supple already? ঠিক আছে, it's the most fantastic C serum that obviously আমাদের হাতে বানানো, তো আমি তো বলবোই, but you guys have used it. So many of you guys can't do without Power of C. I think it's a lovely, lovely, lovely composition. দেখতে পাচ্ছ? You see the hydration that it gives. I'm not even trying too hard. আর এটার আগে তুমি রাতের বেলা ঘুমোবে তো? হ্যাঁ, নতুন পিওসি, আজকে থেকে নতুন পিওসি, ইয়েস। এইটা তুমি রাতের বেলা লাগালে you will see that this, when you wash off your face in the morning, you will still feel it on your skin. এতটাই ভালো এই প্রোডাক্টটা। I think There is absolutely nothing in the market like the Power of C. I have always said it. And it's not only because it's a great serum to have. It's a great antioxidant serum to have. Like one of the best. But it also is an effective serum. There are lots of brands. আমরা যখন পিওসি আগে লঞ্চ করেছিলাম তখন কারোরই ছিল না, এখন আমি দেখি অনেকেরই আছে, but effective কি? I understand that you can get $200-300 you get vitamin C serum, but vitamin C serum মানে যদি কেউ লেবু চিপে তোমাকে দিয়ে দেয় আর বলে ভিটামিন সি আছে, তাহলে কিন্তু don't believe that. Ask সুকন্যা, হ্যাঁ প্রিভিয়াসের থিকনেসটা আমরা একটু, এটার থিকনেস আমরা ন্যাচারালি একটু কম করেছি বিকজ বাট কনসেন্ট্রেট বেশি আছে, ঠিক আছে? দিস থিকনেস তুমি দেখবে ওয়ান্স ইউ অ্যাপ্লাই ইট না, the how do you say, the layer that it forms is exactly what it used to do earlier also, ঠিক আছে? So that's the new POC, and if you see, once you use it, you'll understand what it feels like on skin, and it is a fantastic, it's a fantastic less thicker, I bolbo na Tanya, I wouldn't say it's less thicker, but it's I really can't say that it is less thicker than the previous one. It's equally, it's once you use it on your skin, you will know what I'm saying. It's not, it doesn't look thake, but it feels amazing. It feels amazing. Ja, khule fellam. Okay. Thank you, Shonali. Lebu chepa, yeah. Lebu chepa is not cool, you know. Lebu chepa, cano lebu chepa. Why will we use vitamin C? Otherwise, there is no way of giving 300 taka HA and vitamin C serum unless you do plain, orange grind kore juice ta di dilam ar. Mochumi, okay. I will now go through what are the ingredients of hyaluronic acid, vitamin C, vitamin E, and glycerine. These are the 4 ingredients that are there, 4 key ingredients that are there in the Power of C serum. It's the best makeup base primer. It works really good. A lot of people have used this as a makeup base. It's a great antioxidant serum. I think everyone should have one antioxidant serum in their skincare. You look like a Barbie. I like that. Every person should have an antioxidant serum, purely because it does so much to your skin in terms of restoration. Devashmita, price same. So you will this one is your great antioxidant serum. It also naturally helps to strengthen skin, okay, because hyaluronic acid does that. It naturally strengthens your skin. It also repels skin damage. So the kind of skin damage that is caused by the sun, ওইটার থেকে তোমাকে প্রোটেকশন দেয়, ভিটামিন সি ন্যাচারালি দেয়, ঠিক আছে? ইট ইজ ভেরি ভেরি গুড অ্যাজ অ্যান অ্যান্টি এজিং। রিঙ্কলস শেষ করে দিতে পারবে না, কেউই পারে না, বাট ইট উইল স্টার্ট শোয়িং অফ ইউ স্টার্ট উইদিন 6 to 8 weeks you start seeing the age lines diminishing from your skin for sure. You will definitely see that happening. It's a great brightening liquid, HA and vitamin C together. Vitamin C in general alone is a great brightening. Wait, guys, sorry. Okay, okay. Leah had warned me about this. Okay. ठीक है. So miraculous brightening liquid. Obviously, it's a brightening liquid. ठीक है, एकदम ठीक. It's no. It may, I don't know. So if it falls, then please kindly bear with it. I will fix it again. But yeah, so like I was saying, it's an ultimate age anti-aging serum. It really is. People who have been using this serum have seen great results. Like me, I have seen fantastic results from this. It also great sun protection, nourishing hydration, protects the outer barrier. Of course, it protects the outer barrier. We all know that vitamin C, HA protects the outer layer barrier. It's sweat proof. It doesn't, unless you're doing obviously running in the sun, then it's going to come out, but otherwise it's mostly sweat proof. It stays on for 12 plus hours. Trust me guys, তোমরা রাতের বেলা লাগিয়ে শুয়ে পড়ো। আমি এটা হাতে লাগালাম তো আমি কালকে সকালবেলা when I wash my hands I will feel this getting off my skin. Okay, so you guys will have to use this product to believe that তুমি রাতের বেলা লাগাবে তো সকাল অবধি তোমার স্কিন এক্স্যাক্টলি ওরকম থাকে। রাতের বেলা রেস্টোরেশনটা অনেক বেটার হয়, which is why we always say that these kind of actives wala ingredients we have to use at night. It's great for anti-pigmentation. It is also, it very easily is absorbed on your skin, and everybody who's used this knows that এগুলো আমি কিছুই কিন্তু এক্সট্রা টল ক্লেমস করছি না। None of them are tall claims because that's what power of C is. Okay, so you will get all that and it's suitable for all skin types. Very important question somebody had asked me just few days back, when is a good time to start vitamin C? যেরকম ছোটবেলা থেকে আমাদের মারা লিমসি খাওয়ায়, ছোটবেলায় আমি যখন আমারই অনেক দিন হয়ে গেছে, when I was 2 years old I remember yelling Saxi, Saxi, Saxi. Why? Because Saxi was the name of my vitamin C tablet which I used to have when I was 2 years old, 2 going to 3 like that. But I still remember the word Saxi, which is now Limsi, because these were my tablets, right? So tablets are important when we tablets are really important when to আমরা যখন ছোটবেলা থেকে খেতে পারি, when we are having vitamin C when we are say 3 years old, then vitamin C upore topically lagano is no problem. You can start from 18 years on. You can use a vitamin C HA serum. Okay, no problem. You can always start at 18 and go all the way up till whatever. Okay, so no problem at all. Okay, হয়ে গেল স্কিন কেয়ার। এই রিয়া একদম রিয়াক্ট করবে না বলেছে কি হয়েছে, তোমরা কেউ কিন্তু এখানে একদম নো ঝগড়াঝাটি। ওকে, সো ওকে লেটস সি, I hope everyone can see me. আমি জানি না। ওকে ওকে, কোয়েশ্চেন্স কোথায় গেল? সামথিং, এই কেউ কিচ্ছু বলো না, একদম চেপে যাও। আমি তো দেখলে কিরকম সুন্দর ইগনোর করে দিলাম। ইউ গাইস ক্যান ইগনোর অর হোয়াট? হ্যাঁ, ওকে ঠিক আছে, হয় ইট হ্যাপেন্স এভরিওয়্যার গাইস, প্লিজ নো রিয়াকশন, নো রিয়াকশন অ্যাট অল, আই ডোন্ট লাইক ইট। ঠিক আছে, আমি আছি তো তোমাদের সাথে, তোমরা যারা দেখছো that's enough for me. Okay, now questions, we have 15 minutes. If today I can answer all the questions, then I think I'm great. I hope I'm going to answer all the questions that are regarding actives only first, and then we can see if there's anything else. আজকে কি নিয়ে গল্প তোমাদের হয়ে গেল গল্প করা। তানিয়া হাই, উফ আই থ্যাংক ইউ। বুলটি মৌতনু হাই, ঠিক আছে বুলটি। কিসের লিপস্টিকের শেডটা বললাম আমি, ইটস কল্ড হানিমুন বাই ইয়ে কি বলেছিলাম, হুডা বিউটি। হ্যাঁ, হাই দি, হাই পিয়াসা, হাই চন্দ্রিমা, হাই সুস্মিতা, হাই পিঙ্কি, অনেক সুন্দর লাগছে, থ্যাংক ইউ পিহু। বুলটি এইচএ টোনার ইউজ করার পর পিওসি ইউজ করা যাবে? হ্যাঁ, সকাল বিকেল ইউজ করো, পিওসিটা দিনের বেলা ইউজ করো, এইচএ টোনারটা রাতে ইউজ করো। ওকে, লুকিং গর্জিয়াস, থ্যাংক ইউ সো মাচ অর্পিতা। হ্যালো তানিয়া, স্বস্তিকা হাই, রিদিমা হাই, ওকে পিহু দারুন, সুজাতা হাই, রিম্পি হাই ডার্লিং, কি মিষ্টি লাগছে, উফ থ্যাংক ইউ সো মাচ ডার্লিং। Madhurima, hi Di, so cute. It's always a delight to watch you. Thank you so much. I love your products. Neetu, I love your products. I share loads of love to Moomin as she always helps me. Thank you so much. I will pass on the love. I think she was watching, so she must have read it. Otherwise, we will definitely going to pass it along to her. Manka, hi. Ria, hi. Moshmi, hi. Sweetu, hi. How are you, Sweetu? Cute Lakshya, thank you so much. My dermat once prescribed retinol spot treatment for cystic acne. It made my skin super dry. Yes. Amina, when I was younger, I didn't understand what peels were. So once I had gone to the doctor, and my doctor saw my skin and said, "Ki just skin care lagao." just sunscreen lagao. So I didn't like it. That why has she not given me some 4-5 different types of skincare creams, because I wanted to use them, right? So नहीं कुछ नहीं लगेगा, दिन में sunscreen लगाओ, शाम को इमोलिन लगाओ, हो गया, get lost. बोले আমাকে ताड़ी दिलो, ठीक है? And I was like, what is this here? I also want fancy skincare. I'll go to a pharmacy and buy this that. Later what I did is I went to another big dermat. Bombay is one of the best. Okay, I can't take the name, but one of the best, the most expensive ধরে নাও in Bombay, celebrity. গেলাম, আমি বললাম পিল করাবো. They said কি are you sure you want a peel? I said yes, পিল চাই. And পিল আমি তো জানি না ছাতার মাথার পিল কি, আমি শুধু শুনেছি যে স্কিন কেয়ার খুব স্কিন অসাধারণ হয়ে যাবে পিল করো. And believe me, they did a peel on my skin. I don't know what happened. And I was using sunscreen, yes, but পুরো সেই চাল চামড়া উঠে টুটে একেকার কাণ্ড হলো. And my skin didn't need that peel, but nobody told me that your skin doesn't need the peel. যেরকম my first lady just threw me out of her place saying that you don't need anything more, I will not encourage you anymore, please get lost বলে আমাকে দুটো দিয়ে পাঠিয়ে দিল. But my other lady who I went to and I said কি পিল চাই, জোর করে আমাকে পিল আমি চাইলাম বলে দিয়ে দিল. But that shouldn't be the case. That if you come and tell me that আমার skin ঠিক আছে but I want a BHA, please দাও না, I would tell you don't use. What is the point? I would tell you retinol যদি problem না থাকে কেন ইউজ করবে, like that. Okay, so if there is spot treatment for cystic, retinol is good, but then uske upar there has to be a lot of things that you should do to keep your skin behaving the way it is. Okay, Shantani, worst part is he did not even prescribe a sunscreen. Oh my god, no. Shantani, see, that's what I was talking about. Sunscreen is absolutely mandatory if you're using any actives, definitely so. Okay, actives without fail make your skin sensitive. You have to supplement it with niacinamide, with hyaluronic acid, ceramides, any humectant based creams, occlusives, oils, anything which sort of gets your skin going after. Okay, so you absolutely have to use some sort of extra protection and SPF. Okay, ঠিক আছে. Hello, hydration is love. Thank you, Shiny. Dinesh is watching. Tanya, hi, shit, retinol, yes. Moshumi, after rosy, can I use HA and lactic base and lactic base serum and facial oil? To me, you can use. Yeah, no problem. Tanveer, good. Okay. Thank you, Tani darling, for reminding me for this live. Love. Okay, hi. My daughter is 10 years. Can she use rose toner? Rohini, I would say that you should use dew on her. She's 10 years. Rohini, make her use the dew. That is much more milder and it'll be great for her skin as well. It's a basic rose water toner or the Gulabo. I don't know if you guys have seen. So this is Gulabo. Okay, it's a rose water toner. I'm going to use it as a mist. I just feel like it. So it's a great facial mist also. Can you see the instant sort of pick me up for the skin? Once you let this dry on your skin, it will also help to set your makeup in place. Okay, so this is rose. This is Gulabo. You can use Rohini. Teacher, ami jani teacher er moton জিজ্ঞেস করছো what is koji glow না, ওটা কোজিক অ্যাসিড বলে একটা ইনগ্রেডিয়েন্ট হয়, ওটা কোজিক অ্যাসিডের জেল আর কি, আর কিছুই না. So ওইটারও there are many benefits, but today will not discuss, Monimala will not discuss about kojic today. I will send you the details of kojic. It's there with me. I can send it to you anytime. Kojic কিছুই না, I'll tell you what kojic. Okay, kojic is a skin brightening agent আর কিছুই না, ঠিক আছে? It's a skin brightening agent. It's a naturally present skin brightening agent. ওরা তোমরা ইউজ করতে পারো একটু স্কিনের ব্রাইটনেস আনার জন্য. কোজিগুলো তাই করে, বলে ফর্সা করে দেবে, কিন্তু আদৌ খুব ডিফিকাল্ট, কিন্তু চেষ্টা করতে পারবো. আমি প্রথম স্টার্ট করেছি, সব গুলিয়ে যাচ্ছে. ঝিল্লি পুরোটা আরেকবার দেখবে. Once this is done, I think this is one of the best lives ever. In terms of viewership also, and in terms of content that I've given out, I think I've given out 10 days ka content in one shot. So please guys, if you love me, you will share this live with the people who you think need হেল্প উইথ আন্ডারস্ট্যান্ডিং দ্য বেসিক্স, কারণ পুরো ইনফরমেশন আমি কিন্তু তোমাদের আজকে দিয়ে দিলাম, আমাকে কিন্তু এই জিনিসটাই আবার রিপিট করে করে মাঝে মাঝে বলতে হবে, সো ডোন্ট জাজ মি, কারণ লিমিট ওইটুকুনি আছে, বাট আই এম গোইং টু today has been a very 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 important life, I guess. I have been never been so serious about skin until I started watching your live. It makes sense. Rose, can I use hyaluronic acid and lactic acid? Ota bollam, yes you can. Hyaluronic region, yes Debjani, you are right, thank you. Products sele shop jene nebo, yes Jilly, do that. Use POC Rose on the way, dutoi ekshate khub কিভাবে ইউজ করা যাবে অপর্ণা, ইউ ক্যান আস্ক এনি অফ দ্য টিম মেম্বার্স, দে উইল সেন্ড ইউ অল দ্য ডিটেলস। ইউ আর বিউটিফুল অ্যান্ড টোটালি ইয়াং, থ্যাংক ইউ। ওকে, লাভ ইউ লাভ ইউ লাভ ইউ, ইউ আর ইয়াঙ্গার দেন আস মেন্টালি, ইয়েস ইয়েস। এখনও 14 মিনিট বাকি আছে। ওকে, একটু ডিলে হয়ে গেল। ফেস গ্লোয়ের জন্য কি করা উচিত? এজ 50, সুদেশনা অ্যান্টি এজিং কিটটা ইউজ করো, ইটস ফ্যান্টাস্টিক। দেয়ার আর লটস অফ নাইস প্রোডাক্টস। Glow, তোমার your glow is going to be your experience, right? So use the right skincare and the glow will come on its own. Okay, you are so beautiful, thank you Mitu, thank you so much. Lipstick shader company Huda Beauty, honeymoon POC যেটা অর্ডার করা আছে সেটা কি মডিফাইডটা? yes, that's the new one. Anything going out now will be the new one. Okay, yeah, আমার অর্ডার করা আছে, then I will receive modified, so thank you. That's nice. First question, পিওসি কি ইউজ করবো বলো আগে, কোয়েশ্চেন, সরি ভুলে গেল। ওকে, ইটস ওকে। পিওসির জন্য আমরা প্রোডাক্টগুলো আটকে আছে, সব প্রোডাক্টস শেষ, দিয়ে কোনো মুখের যাতা অবস্থা। আমি পাঠাচ্ছি তাড়াতাড়ি, ফেশিয়াল অয়েল অ্যাক্টিভ নেই। আচ্ছা, এবার সব পাবে। লাভ 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 লাভ। লেট হয়ে গেছে গাইজ, প্লিজ ওয়াচ দিস লাইভ অ্যাজ মেনি টাইমস অ্যাজ ইউ নিড টু আন্ডারস্ট্যান্ড অল দ্য সিরিয়াসনেস অফ all the different kind of big names that are thrown at us. If there are any other things that are big mysteries in your life, just throw it at us as well. We will try and solve it for you. এখন মাঝে মাঝে এখন মানে আজকের অর্ডার নতুন পিওসি, yes, wow, water color. It's not really water color, it's a very mild yellowish sort of thing. প্রিভিয়াসলি থিকনেস বেশি ছিল, এখানে থেকে তুমি দেখো এখনো কিন্তু ওই ব্যাপারটাই আছে, এখনো ওই ইটস সর্ট অফ স্টেজ অন ইউর স্কিন ফর আ ভেরি লং টাইম। আই ক্যান ফিল ইট বাট তুমি দেখো, সত্যিকারের বলছি, দেখো তোমার ডান হাতের আর বাঁ হাতের মধ্যে সানস্ক্রিন লাগিয়ে কতটা ডিফারেন্স এসছে। ক্যান ইউ গাইস সি? মানে ক্লিয়ারলি ডিফারেন্ট, বাপরে। ওকে, চিলি ম্যাজিক পোশনের সাথে ইউজ করতে পারবো? ম্যাজিক পোশনের সাথে কেন ইউজ করবে, আলাদা করে ইউজ করো। রোজে পিওসি লাগানো যাবে, এরপর পিওসি লাগানো যাবে লেস থেকে আগেটার থেকে একদম। হ্যালো ফর ওয়াচিং, গ্রেট পিওসির সাথে রোজে ইউজ করা যাবে। আমি তোমাদের অনেক দিনের কাস্টমার, অনেকগুলো পিওসি ইউজ করেছি। ইয়েস অর্পিতা, উই নো। মৌসুমি 911, can you please suggest? কেন আমাকে বলেও কিন্তু when it's time for me to buzz off, can you please tell me some products for my problems? You look like a Barbie, thank you রিয়া। এবার মনে হচ্ছে এক্সিস্টিংটা তাড়াতাড়ি শেষ হোক, হ্যাঁ শেষ করে ফেলো ফাটাকছে। ওকে, প্রাইসটা কি? সেম। এটার প্রাইস কত? 1299। আবার এটার কনসিস্টেন্সিটা প্রপার সিরাম টাইপ হলো। ইয়েস ইট ইজ। Why my face skin tone becomes darker than my body skin tone? Because you don't use sunscreen. I can definitely tell, either you don't use sunscreen or you do not use the right sunscreen, otherwise no chance. Okay, skin like, and you wear lot of full sleeves, তোমার বেশি হয়তো বডিতে সানের এক্সপোজার হয় না, ফেসে হয়। ওকে, স্কিনটার জন্য পিওসি enough or need extra? You have to have a proper skincare regime. Write to us, Sukanya, we will help you out. Chandrima 915, POC Chubu product, thank you POC. শ্রাবন্তী মজুমদার, ফালতু, yes, ঠিক আছে, তোমাকে নিতে কে বলেছে? ভালো না লাগলে you can leave, that's right, dear people, that's okay. Guys, when you have hundreds and thousands of people watching, okay, me being on this side, I am ready for some to criticize, because that's what is important. Okay, you take it. If nobody, everyone doesn't have to accept us or love us or be kind to us. There are people that's what sort of works them, so let them be. We don't care. Okay, রোজে পিওসি ইউজ করা যাবে? দুটো এএচএ আছে বলে। হ্যাঁ, না, দুটোতে এএচএ নেই না, পিওসিতে এএচএ কোথায়? পিএচএ তো এইচএ আছে। hyaluronic acid. Okay, these suggest good vitamin C supplement. Tab please. Vitamin C, limb C is very good. Order kore diyechi vitamin C. Okay, couldn't be month that I've used, but I'm really glad. Okay, amar chele bolche tumi Sonakshi Orpita, I've heard that before. Thank you. Fabulous. Shantanu, fabulous products you are using. Very happy. Thank you so much, Shantanu. It really, really means a lot. You are a great, we are a great customer and we love it that you're using the products. Thank you so much. Shipun, hi. I use so many branded products, but now my face is becoming darker than my body skin tone. I have pigmentation on my lips. I will help you, Ria. Just write to us. I have rashes, sometimes get acne. May I use POC? Of course you can. Jhili, Tanya, POC can be used with glycolic. Yes, it can. But Chokal Bikel use Koro Junjun. In the morning you use POC. In the evening you can use your glycolic. Unless if it's a serum, if it's a toner, you can use in 1 or 2 minutes gap there. You can use it, no problem. Amader jerokom rose is glycolic 5%. You can use. Tomar kache matro 5 minutes ache 9:25, 5 more minutes 9:28, 9:30 Chandrima, and I am out. Guys, I love you all. Okay, stay safe. বাড়িতে থাকবে প্লিজ, এদিক ওদিক ভটকাবে না আর বেরোবে না. Do your thing at home. Write me letters, write me poems or something. But do share your skincare details on or you can please just abar rag korche Debosmita. It's not necessary everyone will accept us, very true, but why need to comment then? আরে দেবস্মিতা, এটা আমাদের অ্যাট্রাকশন পাওয়ার জন্যই তো পিপল ডু লাইক দ্যাট. তো আমরা কি তাদের দেবো সেটা? উইল নেভার গিভ দেম দ্য পিস অফ মাইন্ড যে ওরা যেটা করার জন্য দে আর রাইটিং. তাই জন্যই আমি তোমাদের তখন বললাম কেউ রিয়াক্ট করো না, বিকজ ইফ উই রিয়াক্ট দেন দে গেট হোয়াট দে ওয়ান্ট. They are still watching and they will watch till the end. ওরা হয়তো আবার রিভাইন্ড করেও দেখবে. Okay, so we will keep the trolls out of our lives. We will not get disturbed by them, and we will only do what makes us happy, what makes our work good, and we are out there to help each other. So why listen to people who one person commenting one thing where hundreds of us are saying good things? Yeah, so it doesn't matter. Okay, lots and lots of love, and I think I've overshot by a couple of days. Amra, next time we can do on hair care. I have no problems. I'll be back. I'll take a break tomorrow and be back day after. Okay, you guys take care. Lots and lots of love, and Jumu, I hope you have a good one.